Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you guys on my channel once again. And for those of you who are joining this channel for the first time, this is Creative Entrepreneurship channel where we share information on how you can make money online. And if you're looking for work from home opportunity, then this is definitely the right channel for you. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money by liking posts. All right, so as you're looking at my screen, the name of the website is called Scale Up. And what do you do on this website? All what you need to do is just to like different posts. So business owners come to this website to advertise their products and services. All right, so they now need individuals to like those posts so that they can have visibilities on different platforms. All right, so that is what this platform Scale Up is all about. You can see gain thousands of eyes on your business in minutes. So this website is here to help business owners to unlock the full potential of your business with our powerful promotion platform. So this is a promotion platform for business owners. So how do you make money on this platform? You only like posts of different products. All right, so that is what you have to do on this platform, and you are joining for free, and also you have opportunity to like those posts for free. So once you like those posts, you have opportunity to like 40 posts in a day, and those posts will be converted into coins. All right, so those posts, once it gets converted into coins, you have opportunity to withdraw your money at the end of the month. All right, and for now, as I'm doing this video, it's paying. All right, so you can take advantage by registering all for free. All right, so this is how the platform look like. You can see seamless growth, global audience, and so on. All right, so it's just an opportunity for business owners to be able to scale up their business. All right, so let me go over on how you can get started. So you can see different reviews about the platform. All right, so it's really relevant for individuals who are looking for side hustle or looking for passive income. Then this is definitely a great opportunity for you. All right, so we keep on trying different platforms that work, and we all know that most of all these platforms might not make you a billionaire or a millionaire, but it's just a side hustle that is going to keep you going. All right, so how do you get going? To sign up, you're going to click on create free account. So once you click create free account, you need to register with your email. So let me walk you through. So you're going to open your email address. Let me log in my email. All right, so you're going to create a password. All right, so once you have created your email and your password, then click on create account. All right, you can see they are going to send you an email. So you go to your email address and you are going to click on verify. So let's verify that. All right, so on this part, you are going to create a username, or the platform can generate a username. So anyone that is okay for you, you can create a username. So let me just create a random username. All right, so I've created my username. So after when you have created your username, you are just going to click on continue. All right, so on this part you are going to upload an image. All right, so in your own case you're just going to click on upload. Then after when you click on upload, you click on continue. All right, so that is how you're going to upload. So listen up, on this part you see create your first post. Compose a post to promote your product, services, or business opportunity. Once published, it will start appearing to thousands of people. So this part is for business owners who want their business to be advertised on Scale Up. All right, so since you want to make money on this platform, you don't need to type or create any post. So what do? You're going to click on create post later. All right, so you are skipping this part. So let's click on that. So once you click on that, this is what you are going to see on your home page. All right, so how do you now get started on this platform? You can see over here I have 100 coin already. Just like I was explaining, once you start liking different posts on Scale Up, it's going to be converted into coins. All right, so let me take you on where you can start liking those posts. All right, so you're going to click over here. So you are going to click on discover. All right, so this is an example of an ad that you are going to like. You can see a multi-currency account that save you money, send, spend and receive cheaper than your bank. So this is an ad. So what do you do now? You're going to click on like. All right, so once you click on like, you're going to click on next post. All right, so this is another advert. So you don't need to just waste your time. You just click on like. All right, so that is what you're going to do. So you now click on next post. All right, so you're going to be doing that till the job completes for the day. You're going to click on like. All right, so once you click on like, it will take you to the next job. You're going to click on next post. All right, so this is a very easy task to perform, and by the end of the month I'm going to be doing another video on how you can successfully withdraw. All right, so that is how you can make money by liking posts on Scale Up. All right, so if you have any question regarding this video, kindly go to the comment section. I'll be always there to help you through on how you can register or on how you can perform different tasks on Scale Up. All right, so I'm going to be dropping my link on how you can register directly on my comment section and also on my description. So kindly go over there and sign up on Scale Up. All right, so thank you guys for patiently watching this video to the very end. If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button, turn off the notification bell, so that once I drop videos like this, you are not going to miss out on such opportunity. All right, thank you guys for staying true to the very end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.